Tints and shades. Hey kids, here is a flying kite without colors. Let's fill color and make it beautiful. Color the picture with poster colors as shown. Observe different shades given in the picture. For shades, add black, and for tint, add white to your colors. Color the rest picture with pencil colors. What a colorful and beautiful scene this is now!